Hey, fifth grade. Like I said in our last science video, this will be our second to last, hopefully our second to last, Generation Genius. My subscription technically runs out on Thursday this week, but I think we should be able to watch the next one. Anyway, we're going to be doing adaptations and the environment. So you'll come on down and you'll answer the 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 before questions. You'll come up and watch the video, and then you will do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So quite a few after questions. And then just make sure that you share your Google Docs with me. Like I said, hopefully this is our second to last one, and that the one for Thursday will work. I hope you enjoy this.